Hey folks, it's Conrad Bitangcol with the RE/MAX Professionals, and today's episode of the Real Estate Experience, I'm
coming at you
from the central neighborhood of Alberta Ave, and I've got an affordable renovated 2-story home, so you're going to want to stick around for this.
She said she too young, don't want no man, so she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan.
Now this is a spectacular home if you're looking to live centrally to downtown Edmonton. We are literally within walking distance to downtown, and you've got access to such things like the LRT, NAIT, Grant MacEwan, Rogers Place. This is an excellent location if you're looking to live a more pedestrian lifestyle. This home's a really nice one. It's a 2-story with over 1,600 square feet of living space. You've got a total of 3 bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms, and you've got features that you'll enjoy like the laminate flooring, a newer kitchen. Upstairs you have a huge, massive master bedroom, and it also includes things like a newer furnace and hot water tank. So why don't we go inside and let me show you around.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone, but I'm just fine. I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, alright.
So that wraps up this episode of the Real Estate Experience. If you'd like more information on this home, I will link the property website. And if you've been watching this on Facebook, please feel free to comment, like, and share. If you're watching on YouTube, feel free to subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this on Edmonton and area real estate. Again, my name is Conrad Bitangcol with RE/MAX Professionals. Till next time.
Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes. Tables turn in your own.